Welcome to day 4 of our 7-day organization challenge. Today, we're shifting focus from physical spaces to digital ones. It's time for a digital detox and device declutter. A cluttered digital space can be just as overwhelming as a cluttered home. Digital decluttering helps you regain focus, improve productivity, and reduce stress. Step 1. Clean up your desktop. Delete files you don't need, organize the rest into folders, and keep your background clean and simple. Step 2. Organize your phone. Group apps into folders, delete ones you don't use, and clear out old notifications. Your phone should feel as streamlined as your workspace. Step 3. Streamline your emails. Unsubscribe from newsletters you don't read. Archive old emails, and create folders to organize your inbox. A clean inbox is a fresh start. And there you have it, an organized digital space that's just as calming and efficient as a clean room. Remember, digital spaces need decluttering too. A clean digital workspace supports a clear mind and a productive day. Get ready for tomorrow's challenge. Don't forget to share your progress with us using hashtag 7dayOrganizeChallenge. We can't wait to see how you've decluttered your digital life.